Okay, parents, so the way I would introduce listen to my child would be that, again, similar to look. I would stop and then I'd have my child or children do a body scan. So I would have them stop and listen to the sounds that their body is making. So again, I'd stop at the top and kind of go, is your nose making a sound? Are your eyes? Maybe your eyes are making a sound. See what your child comes up with. It's their world. Let them describe their own body any way they would like. Again, is their mouth? Can they hear themselves breathing? Also, can they hear their heartbeat? Can they hear their stomach? Just have them describe what is the sounds they are hearing in their own body. Can they hear their own inner voice? They might describe that to you. The other thing is again, this might get silly. It's okay. It's okay to be silly. It's okay to have fun. Again, have fun being calm. So they may bring up, oh, well, I'm burping or belching or tooting or farting or whatever. Totally fine. Those are legitimate sounds that our body's making. Now, are they actually making them at the time that you're doing the body scan? I'm not sure if that's true. So you might want to redirect them if that's the case. You just be like, okay, those are sounds our body makes, but probably right not at this moment. Explain to your child where they can be burping and belching and tooting and farting. And again, that is a normal part of our body. So learn for yourself, again, what sounds your body makes in different situations. It could be different depending on what's going on. So again, this is a great way to start becoming in tune with your own body, and for your child to start becoming in tune to their own body. Have fun being calm.